Today I'm going to be talking about what SLI and Crossfire will not do. But first, my name is Steve Smith. This is TQA Weekly. On my live streams, I've noticed a few people don't necessarily understand how Crossfire and SLI work in a gaming computer. I'm going to clear this all up. There's a few points I'm going to bring up, and then of course, I'm going to point out why you want a single graphics card in your computer and not two. So, first, adding another graphics card to your computer in order to enable SLI and or Crossfire will not double the VRAM. If you have 4 gig graphics card in your computer and you add another 4 gigs graphics card, I am sorry, but 4 plus 4 does not equal 8 inside of a computer, especially when we're relating to VRAM. We're not talking about RAM on your board. VRAM does not multiply on your main board. So basically, you're still stuck with 4 gigs of information that can be used, in this example, for the textures, basically not allowing us to necessarily boost the quality of the image. In order to boost the quality in the image in this case, we're basically going to have to scale back the number of pixels we're trying to put on the screen, or lower the quality of the image and just take it as it is. So adding a second graphics card does not help with the quality of the image. Adding another graphics card to your computer will also not double your performance. If you're getting 60 FPS, you're not getting 120 FPS anytime soon by adding a second graphics card. You can only really get 10 to 15% if the game developer supported SLI and or Crossfire to begin with. So basically, you might get 6 or 7, 8 frames per second better, depending on how you ultimately configure your computer. Again, to get more frames per second, you would have to scale back the quality of the image and or even the resolution of the image of your gameplay. So, adding a second graphics card to get twice the VRAM or performance, or even the more realistic, mild performance boost, is not economically better for your wallet either. So, here's the biggest point. Spending money on a single better graphics card can result in, by the way, price savings in cooling in your computer, because you will not require as many cooling fans or as big a computer chassis. Because you can also benefit from needing a smaller mainboard, you can also save money there, and a smaller computer chassis means you can save money there as well. That's already 2 points in which you save money. The third point is that you don't need as big a power supply in terms of wattage, which means you can save money on that third piece already right there. And that means that overall, you're going to have less heat output and fewer dollars spent on your computer. And FYI, you're also going to be saving all that money that you're not going to be spending on the electrical bill trying to power another graphics card that's only giving you 10 to 15% of a benefit anyway. So basically, you can save money on the chassis, the mainboard, the power supply, and your electrical bill, all by using one graphics card, because you won't double the memory and you will not double the performance anyway. So, like this episode if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, share it with those that you think can benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com or go to my website, tqaweekly.com, for everything else. And if you want to make this show better, go to patreon.com/tqaweekly and become a patron today. Patrons get these episodes 2 days in advance of everyone else. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.